the law of chastity, there's some interesting exceptions in the Philippines, because there's no divorce. There's no divorce in the Philippines. So there was a few occasions, it's an exception to a rule, where you would have couples that had been living together for a substantial period of time. They had children, but they can't legally be married because one of them has a past marriage, and they can't get a divorce in the Philippines. There is no divorce unless you're extremely wealthy. So in that situation, they have a special rule only for the Philippines, which is cohabitation. And that is, if they've been living together for 5 years or more, and they show fidelity one to another, because they can't be married, they can be, it requires a special interview, but they can be approved for baptism if they meet all the other requirements. And the only difference between them and anybody else that gets baptized is they can't be sealed in a temple, which is hard, but they can do everything else. They can receive, if it's a male, they can receive the priesthood. They can go to the temple. They just can't be sealed until they get an official divorce, which is illegal. So that's an interesting exception to law of chastity situations in the Philippines, is they don't have to be legally married in all situations, but that is the exception. Definitely not the best case scenario.